Packaging printing would be unthinkable without die cutting and embossing. Especially when it comes to sophisticated printing jobs, these finishing steps are key to generating added value in-house. Moreover, ever shorter runs and ever tighter deadlines demand self-sufficient production without reliance on sub-suppliers. Heidelberg's Varimatrix 105 meets all these requirements. On this machine, fast make-ready times and operator friendliness are at the top of the list. Orders are run off efficiently with cutting pressures of up to 300 tons and outputs of up to 7,500 sheets per hour. The Varimatrix is able to handle paper from 80 grams per square meter, boards of up to 1,400 grams per square meter, and corrugated boards of up to 4 millimeters thickness. The optional corrugated board kit can be added to facilitate frequent processing of corrugated boards. Centerline assures precise tool alignment, thereby contributing to fast cutting tool make-readies. Varimatrix die cutters show their full potential when integrated into a perfectly harmonized workflow of machines and processes. With a format size of 750 by 1050 millimeters, the Varimatrix 105 series is perfect for combination with Heidelberg's Speedmaster XL 105. Heidelberg's highly competent system service safeguards high machine availability over the entire service life of the Varimatrix die cutter. Folding carton gluers from the Diana series and the Easy Gluer continue the economical finishing of all carton types. The Varimatrix 105 comes in 3 versions: the Varimatrix C basis die cutter, the Varimatrix 105 CS with integrated stripping station, and the Varimatrix 105 CSF with an additional hot foil module for hot foil embossing. All 3 versions are built with the same view in mind, achieving the highest possible quality on a sustainable level of safety, certified and monitored by independent associations. The manual Nonstop feeder has its own servo drive, which facilitates sheet feeding and sheet breaking to ensure that the sheets are properly aligned on transfer to the feed station. The Nonstop feeder is easy to control via touch screen. A pre-piling unit is situated in line ahead of the feeder. The next sheet pile to be processed is precisely preloaded onto rail-guided pallets which move into the feeder. Manual positioning by the operator is no longer necessary, and lateral adjustments are simply made by push button. When a format changeover takes place, sheet size related elements such as rollers and brushes can be adjusted in one easy move, allowing Varimatrix operation to be resumed again quickly. The belt table, also equipped with a servo drive, is synchronized in the central control system to ensure proper sheet separation and smooth sheet travel. Optional anti-static devices at the feeder, belt table, stripping station and delivery section are indispensable when processing statically loaded material and can often enhance output when running papers. 4 instead of 2 front lays are now available and can be activated in pairs. Optical sensors cater for perfect alignment, both of minimum and maximum sized sheets. The chase is locked and unlocked by push button, making life much easier for operators. When the chase is unlocked, the Varimatrix cannot be started up, which guarantees the highest level of operational safety. Even cutting tools for smaller formats can be reliably secured in the standard tool chase. carrier arms for the chase and cutting plate are simply folded away, granting the operator ideal access to stations and operating elements. This saves valuable time when fast maneuvers are required. The stripping station of the Varimatrix 105CS is designed for high-precision removal of the waste pieces from die-cut sheets. Even large quantities of the tiniest waste pieces can be reliably stripped. As a result, even short runs can be performed economically, since manual stripping is a thing of the past. Other options are available to further reduce make-ready times by enhancing operator friendliness. These include use of the 4mm cutting plate with 1mm fine cutting plates, a facility for fine adjustment of cutting plates, a quick lock chase, and the quick lock frame for upper dedicated tools in the stripping station. The delivery section of the Varimatrix is equipped as standard with a rollout apron for non-stop operation. Contrary to many die cutters which use a rake, the rollout apron of the Varimatrix is always set optimally regardless of how the blanks are arranged in the sheet. Furthermore, there is no danger that the first sheet to arrive will be marked or inadvertently shifted, since the rollout apron is free from static. At the delivery section, the angle of the motor-driven brake brushes can be adjusted for hard to soft application pressures, which facilitates optimal depositing of blanks and straight-edged piles. Customers often demand counted piles which are marked at defined intervals. With a device for automatic insertion of paper strips into the pile, which is part of the standard supply scope, this is no problem for the Varimatrix. Removal of the gripper margin also comes as standard. The strip is simply ejected from the machine. Manual detachment of the strip at the end of processing is no longer necessary, and valuable time is saved. Flexible, productive, fully equipped and compatible with workflows, the Varimatrix 105CS is built to achieve the superlative quality which is the hallmark of Heidelberg.